Hey guys, it's Rob. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe and also give this video a like. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Disney Vinylmations. It's something I got into when they first came out because they had Disney Vinylmations for all the things that I love in the parks and some of the classic movies. And if you are not familiar with what a Vinylmation is, I have a couple right here. This is a Vinylmation. It's basically a Mickey Mouse shaped figurine, but then they go in and they make changes to it to make it symbolic of something else. So this one is the orange stinger at Disney California Adventure. That's what that's supposed to be. And this one is supposed to be a monorail, not a monorail driver, an actual monorail. So the arms move, the heads move, and I thought I had a bunch of them until I met some of the folks in the Disney community that had hundreds. I don't think I quite have 100 yet, but I anytime they come up, I'm very interested in getting them since they're so hard to get. So for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World, they came out with 2 different series of them. I have most of the first series and 1 or 2 of the second series. I didn't try too hard to get them. The other problem with Vinylmation, other than they're not around as much anymore, is that they come in blind boxes. So the blind boxes usually cost anywhere from about $12 to $15 for one, and you don't know what you're getting, obviously, aka the blind box. So when you get one of these, it's a big investment, and unlike other collectibles like the Wishables, you can't really just like squeeze this box and decide what might be in it. So this one actually, sometimes they have mystery ones. This series came out for Disney 100 years. It came out through Target and not through Disney, so I was a little bit interested in that part. They used to sell them at the Disney store, they used to sell them at the parks, but this one came out through Target, and I haunted the Target website for a month trying to find them. Finally they came in, and now it's like you can find them easily on the Target website. So here's a picture of them. These sell for $11.99, and they are in stock, so that's a good thing. It would be something that you could grab if you actually had interest in them. So there are 5 in this series. I ordered 9 of them, so you know that's a problem. But what I am hoping to do, if this is something that works, is to just get 5 in a row, and then if I do that, I might actually return the other ones to Target. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but if they're still sealed, I feel like that should be not a problem. I'm going to start opening up these. So the boxes themselves, which I'm a huge nerd when it comes to Disney stuff, and a lot of times I'll want to save the box too. They make it very difficult to do that because when you open the box, you basically are tearing it apart. Already I've kind of done that to it. So there are 2 parts to it. When you open up the box, there is also a bag inside, assuming these follow protocol with the rest. And yes, that is the case. So it's a silver bag. Let me give you a close-up of it here. So it's a silver bag, and so I don't still know what it is because, again, it's Mickey shaped. So it could be any of the ones that we see in here, which are Mickey, Minnie. It's a weird assortment. It's Mickey and Minnie. It's Stitch. It's Russell from Up, and it's May from Turning Red. Again, very strange collection. I thought maybe this might be Series 1 of this Disney 100, but so far this is all I've seen. So again, they come in this pouch. So I'll open up the pouch. And then this is May from Turning Red. So very cute. You can see with the ears, so they take the Mickey Mouse ear shape, they make them translucent, and then they put the red panda ears on top of that. There's a logo on the back for Disney 100, as well as a Vinylmation on there as well. So it says Disney 100 Vinylmation. So again, there's May. That's good. That's exciting. 1 of 1. No duplicates yet because, again, clearly I haven't opened these up. Again, like I said, it's a weird assortment. I don't know why for 100 Years of Wonder they would choose 2 Pixar characters. Mickey and Minnie make sense. That makes sense. Stitch, love Stitch. As a matter of fact, I'm hoping to get more than one Stitch if I have to open up more than I should. But I don't get the other two. Russell, is great from Up, but like, why not Kevin? I don't know. Maybe it just made sense. Only to have 5 in this series, that's very rare. The Disney 50th anniversary one, I think it was 12 in the series. So, and that one they had, I think, at least one chaser or mystery one. So, again, silver bag. Do this down here. So we've got May, just not that one. No whammies. And and again, there's $12 down the drain because now I have 2 of the exact same one. So I was hoping that the way they shipped these, that wouldn't be the thing that would happen, but here we are. Again, these came out I think for the first time in 2008. They used to do a park series. They did movie series. You can see the ones behind me here. I have a case that I have them in, and the case actually came from Michael's, and it was something that I saw at the time. That's a case made for shot glasses, but it perfectly fits the Vinylmations in there. So that's exciting that you can do that and display them. So I have one full case back here, and then I also have another fairly empty case that I will be putting the 50th anniversary ones and then these 100 years ones in. So I've got another bag to open here. Again, if I get 3 red pandas here, that's not cool. I also weirdly like the smell of these bags, but aha, there's the boy. There's Stitch. So it says Disney 100. It says decades on the back too. So there he is. He's as 626 in his uniform, and again, it's the Mickey Mouse shape. Silhouette wise, you wouldn't really be able to tell one from the other. The mouse on the side are the same, sticking out a little bit, and he's got the ears, and instead of like the panda ear thing, he's got like space in the background of his ears, like stars. So also he's got a second set of arms in the front, which is cute. So love that Stitch. I'm excited. I wanted the Stitch one, so even if I don't get any other different ones, I'm happy with the Stitch one. But it would be nice to get a few, to get all the rest of them. So I've gotten, out of the 9, I've opened 3. I've gotten 1 duplicate already, and it's honestly, to be honest, probably the one that I would want the least. I love the movie. It's a cool movie, but it's the one that I would want the least. So, man, there's a lot of glue on these. It's really weird. So I'm basically mutilating the box to get them open, which probably is a good thing. That means I should not keep them because they're not going to be in good shape. Normally I would not keep all the boxes. I would just keep one for reference so I would remember what the packaging looked like. And I'm a graphic designer. I like packaging. I know it's a weird thing to say, but so when these came in these boxes, again, they say on the side what's in them, and then on the other side is just some disclaimer, has the mystery on the front, and these actually have just a packing sticker on the back, which is kind of odd. So, all right, so Mickey. All right, see, that's a good thing. Look, Mickey's doing a little wink. It's like an old school Mickey. That's nice. I like that. Oh man, it's got 1928 written on the base of his feet right back there, so we know that's original Mickey. I don't see dates on the back of these, although they do have usually some kind of stuff on the bottom of them, but I don't see any dates. It says when things came out, except for Mickey. So 1928 Mickey. Let's take this one out so that I won't be sad and depressed when I look at this. So there's 3 of those. And again, 4 boxes down, 5 to go, 3 of the 5. So all I need now is a Minnie and a Russell from Up. The ones that would represent the entire 100 years of wonder. hope that, again, that maybe this is just step one of a series, but at the same time, we've already passed the 100 years. Disney has kind of stopped celebrating the 100 years of wonder, so I don't really know why. And why not Oswald? I don't know. They used Oswald at Destination D23 for representing the 100 years of wonder. So why wouldn't they have done Oswald? I don't know. All right. So this is bag number 5. Yes. And again, I like the smell of them. I can't really tell why. Just a freak, I guess. And there's another Stitch, which again, I'm not mad about. My good friend Jake, looks like he might have a Stitch coming his way. I love the Stitch one. So again, I'm not mad at having 2 of the Stitch, but I don't know. Maybe Patrick needs the second Red Panda. I know he's a fan of the movie. All right, so I have 4 left to get 2 more. I need to get Russell, and I need to get Minnie. So, again, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I do a lot of weird stuff on this channel. I have some of the music stuff from... I'm a huge fan of music, and I work in radio. And then I post some stuff from Disney, whether it's Disney World, Disneyland, or Disney on Ice, or just anything Disney that I do. And then also some other random things. So please subscribe. Love to have you with us. So again, here is one more. Let's move these 2 out of the way. This is 6 of 9. Minnie. All right. Minnie's got her hat on there and a bow, which I guess makes sense, but she's already going to have her own ears. Also on the back, hers does also say 1928 on the back. So very cool. All right, 4 of 5. So now I have 3 of these boxes left, hoping that one of them is going to be my boy Russell. So shout out to William, who always gives me a hard time about my Pixar picks and not picking up higher up in the list. But again, I always say I pick them based on how often I'd want to see them, and Up is a very sad movie. Sorry, it just is. Same reason I don't want to watch Bambi or Dumbo over and over and over and over again. All right, so here we go. We got one more here. Let's see. Come on, Russell. There he is. There's the fella. Okay. All right. There's the 5. There we go. They're all together there. So I still have 2 unopened, which I probably will not open. And then I've got the 5 characters here. I actually bought these during a Christmas sale where you could buy 2 toys, get a third one of equal or lesser value free at Target. Again, these are only available to my knowledge at Target. So these were Target exclusive. This is, I was able to buy 2, get 1 free, and I bought 6 and got 3 free. So that worked out. Just another look at Russell here. He's got all his medals on. He's got the clouds above his head, and you can see over here he's got the house from Up is right there. And again, arms move, heads turn. Well, heads turn, but they don't look like they turn easily. Again, I usually put them in a case, so that doesn't really matter, but let's see if we can be artistic about this. There we go. There's the gang. The 5 different Vinylmations from this series. I would love to think that they might continue to do Vinylmations. They kind of do them for special occasions. Like I said, they did them for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. They did a lot more for that. It was Mickey and Minnie and their and friends in their 50th anniversary garb. I would love to see them do them for more things, go back to doing them for movies, for the parks, but mostly for the parks. I think the parks making them for attractions is a very cool thing. I'm sad that I didn't get into it more than I did and buy more of them, but also, as I've mentioned, it gets a little frustrating when you when you open these up. There was a system at Disney World when you would buy them, and they had a case where you could get one shot at redemption and trade in the one that you just got if you already had it. If you opened it in front of them, you already had it. You could trade it in, and they had a mystery box set up, and you could trade it for something in the mystery box. So I don't really have that opportunity now, so I think the only follow-ups would either be to give them to somebody who would like them, or to see if they had any value on eBay. And yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.